Vacuum excavation is digging by using vacuum to break apart material with high-pressure water or air. This method of excavation is commonly referred to as soft dig and accepted as being safer than hand digging within the tolerance zone around underground utilities. This process allows for workers on site to stay safe on the surface. This practice can eliminate accidental line damage and trench cave-ins. This is the best method of identifying the accurate depth of a utility. With vacuum excavation, companies have an alternative to hand digging and a safer way to expose utilities with both hydro and air or dry excavation. Hydro excavation is the process of safely uncovering underground utilities utilizing high-pressure water along with high-speed vacuum. Hydro excavation is faster than air excavation and is considered the most efficient type of vacuum excavation. Hydro excavation does not allow for the reuse of the spoil material for refilling the hole. Air or dry excavation is the process of using compressed air to disturb the Earth's soil, which is then vacuumed up into a debris tank. Air excavation can be slower than hydro excavation, but it does allow the debris to be used back into the hole. Vacuum excavation is less evasive than traditional methods of digging. It also offers lower cost with a higher level of precision, with less surface restoration needed.